For all of you that have been watching my Instagram stories, I've been getting flooded with messages about what I'm riding around on my photo shoots and travels, and I thought I would cover it in this video and introduce you to my Boosted Rev. This is the latest in the Boosted lineup, and it caught my eye as it's a high quality scooter that can pretty much handle everything I throw at it, and it doesn't matter what terrain I'm on. Its quality matches that $1,600 price point, and for me, it allows me to get further into places for my photography. It has dual wheel drive and a top speed of 24 miles an hour with 3 speed modes, and they each have their own benefits. Mode 1 is a 12 mile an hour top speed and has a range of 22 miles. I personally only ride in this mode if I need to cover ground on a photo shoot, as it's pretty slow, but it really works great for that. Mode 2 goes about 18 miles an hour, and I can get about 16 miles on it. This is the mode that I probably most ride in, as it's all the distance that I need for a photo shoot, and it has a little bit more power. Mode 3 is when I just want to go out, have some fun, go ride, and do a quick photo shoot. You can get about 8 miles on it, go 24 miles an hour, and it is so much fun to ride and cruise in. The scooters are equipped with the boosted throttle wheel, just like on their boards. This is a really cool design, and I was not sure how I would like it, but once I got used to it after a few rides, it was truly amazing. I really like that it's textured, and when you roll it to the left, it accelerates, and you roll it to the right, and it brakes. They offer you 3 ways to brake. You can also squeeze the handbrake, you can use the regenerative braking with the throttle wheel, or you can step on the back wheel. Now the quality of the scooter is amazing. I can jump speed bumps, I can ride off-road, and I can really trust that the quality is going to stand up to the elements that I throw at it. Which is super important when I'm carrying all my camera gear. I really want that reassurance that nothing's going to happen. It does not have any shocks, but they put some wide, thick tires on it so it really absorbs the terrain you're on. The charging time is about 3 hours to full, and the tires are air-filled, and they give you some extra spares and tubes included. For those shoots after sunset, it has a nice light built into the scooter as well as a brake light, but I'll usually strap on my bike light to the handlebars if I need a little bit more power for off-roading at night, as I really want to see what's in front of me. It has a super nice display screen that shows your speed while you're riding and what setting you're in. It is a 1-button control for all your commands. 3 presses changes the speed, 2 presses turns on the light, and you press and hold to turn it on and off. Taking it on my travels is a breeze with the easy folding system they put into the scooter. You press down on the button on the steering tube and pull down on the lever. The steering tube will fold down, popping into the slot near the foot brake. And no, to answer all your guys' questions, this does not scratch the display. One of my favorite parts about traveling is discovering the places that you don't normally get to see. And I love being able to bring my scooters, fold them up, toss them in the SUV, and ride into these locations. My biggest takeaway with the Boosted Rev are the scooters are exactly the specs that they have listed on their website. You actually hit 24 miles an hour, you actually can get 22 miles of range on it, and you actually can ride up some crazy steep hills, and it does not even phase the speed. So coming up in the next month, I'm gonna take you out with me on a photo shoot, riding the scooters, and show you how I use them. But first, I wanted to answer the questions you guys have been sending me, give you some overall info in case you wanted to pick one of these up for your travels, your daily life, or your commute. If you guys have any questions on the scooter or photography, drop a comment down in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more photography tutorials, reviews, my life, and follow me on social media if you want to see my latest photos. I'll also place a link down in the description below for boosted boards so you can go read more about the Boosted Rev. And I appreciate you all watching. Dream it, create it, and strive for it. And I'll see you guys next time.